Hi, my name is Stephanie Pajot and I'm a dental hygienist in Bingham Farms. I'm here today to introduce you to this awesome light. It's called the LumiPro by DenMat. The reason why I love it so much is the light itself is so small and all the weight is down here in my lab pocket where the battery pack is, and I like not having extra weight on my head. So I've got my hat, my loupes, my face shield fits on top of this light very well, and I can change how bright I want my light to be by the battery pack. So you can see I just dimmed it and turned it off completely. As a hygienist, it helps me tremendously to notice things like a small fracture line, maybe a tiny piece of residual calculus or stain that I'm trying to get to. I love it when I'm placing sealants. I can see the grooves so much better. I hope that helps, and I hope you give it a try.